Hi, this video is the first one about the Playground app. I'm following the same approach as with the Simple app. I'll first download the Flutter app and initialize the Flutter Rust bridge. The Rust API and connecting it with Flutter will be covered in the upcoming videos. Use this link to access the GitHub repository. Copy the Git link from there. Then switch to the terminal and type git clone and paste the link. Once the download is complete, navigate to the Playground app directory and open the IDE by running the command code +dot. To proceed, click on Trust the author and also click on Run pub-get to get the latest package versions. At this point, I will double-check using Flutter Doctor to verify if the Flutter environment has been set up correctly. If not, read the information in the Fundamentals chapter. Here, everything seems fine, so I will proceed to start the app as a macOS app. Press 1. Here we can see the scrollable list of examples. When I widen the window, you can observe the responsive design of the app. Now, on the left side we have the list, and on the right side the selected example is displayed as a detailed view. An example can consist of multiple consecutive steps. Each step can invoke an action. In my examples, I gather the necessary inputs in the initial steps and invoke the Rust API in the final step. In our Flutter template, the Rust calls are currently mocked. Our third example is implemented in the file example2. I will show you the section that we will need to populate later. Our FFI call is currently returning a fake string. The app also includes a left sidebar with version information and a binary to hex converter, which also needs to be connected to the API. Behind the shimmer icon, there's a right sidebar that displays saved data. Let's move on to the initialization steps of the Flutter Rust bridge. Since they are the same as in the Simple app, I would like to ask you to refer to that video so that I can run through this video a bit faster without further explanations. Thank you.